In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a TradingView alert to Telegram. We'll walk through the exact settings inside TradingView and how to point your alert to Telegram so you get instant messages when your conditions are met. By the end, you'll have a working alert that posts directly into your chosen Telegram chat. Start on your TradingView chart. On the right side toolbar, look for the bell icon labeled Alerts and click it. This opens the Alerts panel. From here, click the plus icon to create alert. This brings up the alert configuration window. Choose the symbol you want to monitor, like the ticker on your current chart, and set the condition that should trigger the alert. You can pick a price level, a crossing condition, or an indicator signal. If available, set how often it should trigger, such as only once per bar, or once per bar close. If you want to control how long the alert stays active, adjust the expiration. Taking a moment to get these conditions right prevents unnecessary noise and ensures you're notified only when it matters. Next, in the alert window under Alert Actions, check the box for Webhook URL. This tells TradingView to send the alert data to an external address. Paste your Telegram webhook URL into that field. This URL should come from the Telegram bot or service you're already using to post into your channel or group. Make sure it's a valid HTTPS address, and keep any tokens or keys private. Never paste sensitive information into public places, and don't share your webhook URL. Now, customize the message box. This is the text that will be sent to Telegram when the alert fires. Keep it informative so you can act quickly, for example, including the symbol, the condition that triggered, and the time frame you're watching. If your Telegram integration expects a specific format, such as JSON, make sure your message matches that format. Otherwise, a clear, plain text message works well. When everything looks good, click Create to activate the alert. You'll see it listed in your Alerts panel and, in most cases, marked on your chart. From now on, whenever your condition is met, TradingView will send the message to your Telegram bot, which will then post it to your selected channel or group. If you don't receive a message, double-check the webhook URL, verify that the alert actually triggered in TradingView, and make sure your Telegram bot has permission to post in that chat. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.